My channel, this is Suzanne. Today's video is going to be a review on M.Asam product. This is the Magic Finish Makeup, and this is with the foundation. I don't know if it's a foundation, I have to read about it, but it's a tint that has a little bit of coverage, kind of blended into your skin and kind of adapt to your skin color. It's sold out at the moment on the shopping channel website. So this is called the M.Asam Magic Finish Makeup Trio Compact Jar. I don't know why it's a trio, but there were just two products in here. So the Magic Finish Makeup Mousse provides a light matte natural looking finish in an instant. It provides light to medium or full coverage depending on the application. Magic Finish is a wrinkle filling makeup mousse. Immediately after application, your skin looks more even in skin tone, imperfections, and the appearance of small wrinkles or enlarged pores are appeared reduced. That's amazing. So lots of claims. I didn't read all that, but I wanted to try it just because I saw it on Instagram. But it provides the appearance of sun-kissed, healthy looking skin tone, lightweight formula, allows for easy application. Then the blush has hyaluronic acid, so it's supposed to last all day on your face, and also it kind of hydrates your skin at the same time. So I was really excited. So you get this. Oh, the trio means that you have a mirror in there, so that's why it's called the Magic Finish Trio. So you get a mirror, you get a blush, and you get your mousse foundation. I applied my Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer already on my skin, so I'm going to dip into this foundation. This is really like an easy foundation on the go. I think like it's just so easy. Like I just found it so easy to apply, and yeah, it looks really dark as you can see. So I'm just gonna dip my finger in there. Don't mind my nails. So as you can see, it's really dark. So I'm gonna do maybe one side here. I'm gonna just dot it. It feels so silky, like, you know, those Maybelline Dreamy Mousse foundation, but this feels silkier, like silicone-y kind of feel to it. Like I feel like I'm applying a silicone primer. Just gonna blend it with my finger first. I'm gonna take this one under the eyes as well, just to see. So I'm going to blend it a little bit with my foundation brush. This is from Sephora. It's number 64. This foundation is blending really nicely on the skin. It's very easy to blend. It's turning into my skin color immediately. Like it's not dark as it was applied initially. So you can see that it's really pretty on the skin. Like it evens out my skin. So this is the foundation side, and this is no foundation. It looks really good. Even under the eyes, it kind of took the darkness away. I'm gonna do another layer and see if it build up the coverage, and I'm just gonna apply it like here in the center and a little bit on the forehead. So this is up close and personal. It does have a matte finish. It's very soft matte finish, but it's not drying at all. Like when I touch my face, it's still moisturized and hydrated. It's not too sticky, but it's not set. You know that feeling of a foundation that it's still sitting on your face, but it doesn't bother me at all. Like I don't feel it until I touch my face. But the coverage is really nice. I'm really happy with it. So I'm gonna do the other side quickly. I'm not gonna use a sponge because personally I don't use a sponge for a foundation. I use a brush and then I go with the sponge afterwards. So the coverage of this foundation, I will give it as a light to medium, buildable for sure, but I'm not gonna build it up more because it really did what I wanted it to do. I'm not looking for a full coverage foundation. To me, I just feel like I want to look more even skin tone. That's my goal with a foundation. And this foundation is supposed to fill in your lines and pores. I don't have pores, so I can't really speak for that. So when I wore this the other day, I actually went so close to the mirror and I was looking at my smiling lines. I couldn't see the foundation settling in there, which was amazing. I was really happy, and I actually wore it I went to the grocery store, I had the mask on, and then I came back. I did stuff around the house, and I was busy with the kids as well, and I worked out as well, so I was like sweating, and you know, the foundation didn't budge. Like, I was really amazed. It's very smoothing, it looks good on the skin. I'm really happy. So I'll finish my makeup and I will be back. So the blush that comes in this foundation, it looks matte. It has a satin finish to it, and it's not shimmery or anything, but it has that, you know, sheen. It's really a pretty shade actually, and I don't have anything like that, or I don't really gravitate towards pink blushes, but that's really a pretty color. It's really nice. Yeah, it's really pretty. It's like a Barbie pink color, but it's very wearable. Like, so this is the finished look, you guys. So this is with powders on and everything. It looks really stunning on the skin. It's not accentuating anything on my face. It lasted all day on my face. It's really a pretty product. I'm happy with my purchase. This retailed for $54, and I'm really excited that I got it actually. It does give me that beautiful soft matte finish. It hydrates your skin. It looks really pretty. And this is with just 2 thin layers of this foundation. And I did not apply any concealer anywhere else, so it looks really good. It gives you a decent coverage. It's very quick and easy, especially for moms on the go or people who do just a quick makeup. It's a one color. I'm not sure how it's gonna work on fair skin or very deep skin. Worked for me, as you saw in the video. It was really dark when I applied it, so it kind of blends into your skin and it kind of changes